Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Richmond Tankless water heater isn't working properly, it can quickly become a frustrating situation, especially when you expect hot water and suddenly it's not there. You might notice error codes, no ignition, fluctuating temperatures, or the unit shutting off unexpectedly. These systems rely on multiple components working together, so even a small issue like low gas pressure, blocked vents, or a temporary glitch can affect performance. The tricky part is that the unit doesn't always clearly explain what's wrong, which can make troubleshooting feel overwhelming. The good thing is that many common problems can be identified and fixed with a few simple checks before calling a technician. Try these. Step 1. Check for any error codes or indicator lights on the unit. Step 2. Turn the heater off. Wait a minute, then turn it back on to reset. Step 3. Ensure the unit has proper power and gas supply. Step 4. Inspect the air intake and exhaust vents for blockages. Step 5. Verify the water pressure and temperature settings are correct. Step 6. If issues continue, contact a qualified technician for inspection